Streamlined IT help desk support for manufacturing companies in West Houston. In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, downtime isn't just an inconvenience, it's a direct hit to productivity and profitability. Manufacturing companies in West Houston face unique challenges, from maintaining 24/7 operational efficiency to ensuring compliance with industry standards. That's where Impress IT Solutions comes into play as a trusted partner. Key features of Impress IT Solutions Help Desk: support 24/7, availability. Manufacturing doesn't stop, and neither does Impress IT Solutions. Their round-the-clock assistance ensures seamless operations. Remote and on-site support. While many issues can be resolved remotely, Impress its local presence in West Houston ensures quick on-site intervention when needed. Customized solutions. Impress its solutions tailors its services to meet the specific challenges of the manufacturing sector. Scalability. As your company grows, Impress its support scales with you, offering advanced solutions for evolving needs. Why choose Impress IT Solutions for IT help desk support? When selecting an IT help desk provider, Impress IT Solutions stands out with these qualities. Proven experience. Impress IT Solutions has a strong track record of supporting manufacturing companies in West Houston. Fast response times. Impress IT's team addresses issues immediately, reducing costly delays. Comprehensive services. From hardware support to cybersecurity and software updates, Impress IT Solutions offers end-to-end solutions. Manufacturing companies in West Houston can't afford to compromise on IT support. By partnering with Impress IT Solutions, you can enhance productivity, safeguard your operations, and maintain a competitive edge. Whether it's managing your ERP system, securing your network, or troubleshooting production line issues, Impress IT Solutions is the backbone of modern manufacturing success.